Is your job safe from AI? Or will it soon be replaced by robots and algorithms? Today we'll reveal the latest facts and predictions, which might surprise you. In recent years, AI has advanced incredibly rapidly. ChatGPT can write articles, code programs, and even create images and videos. Robots in factories are replacing thousands of workers overnight. Even now, driverless cars are already operating in several countries. All of this has led many to ask, if technology has come this far, what's left for humans? Researchers from the World Economic Forum predict millions of jobs will be lost this decade. Here are the professions most at risk. 1. Customer service and telemarketing. Right-pointing arrow chatbots are already much more efficient. 2. Data entry and admin. Right-pointing arrow AI can process data much faster. 3. Cashiers and receptionists. Right-pointing arrow replaced by self-service machines. 4. Drivers. Right-pointing arrow autonomous cars are becoming a reality. 5. Routine factory work. Right-pointing arrow industrial automation is massive. Jobs that rely solely on routine will be the easiest to disappear. AI is creating new professions, defying gloom. Data scientists and AI engineers are in demand. Prompt engineers are teaching AI to think smarter. Digital content creators use AI as a production tool. Cybersecurity specialists protect against digital threats. The world of work is shifting, not disappearing. Upskilling is crucial for staying relevant. Creativity and empathy will always have a place. So, will AI replace our jobs? The answer is partly yes. But at the same time, it will also create many new opportunities. The future isn't about fighting AI, but about collaborating with it. If we are willing to adapt, AI can become a colleague, not an enemy. What do you think? Is your job safe, or is it under threat? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to QMO, SynthMind for more AI and future content.